I always end up with toxic people in my relationships. I realize this later and it makes me very sad each time. What do you recommend for me to overcome this and have a healthy relationship?
Ending up in toxic relationships frequently can be very challenging. Here are some steps you can take to overcome this and build healthy relationships. 1. Know yourself. The first step is to understand yourself better. Recognizing your needs, boundaries, and values is fundamental to forming healthy relationships. Ask yourself questions like, what do I really want? And what values are non-negotiable for me? 2. Set boundaries. Toxic relationships often involve boundary violations. Establishing healthy boundaries and sticking to them helps protect yourself and ensures the other person respects you. Learning to say no is an important part of this process. 3. Reflect on the past. Analyzing your past relationships can help you identify patterns. Look at what went wrong and how you responded in those situations. This can help you avoid similar mistakes in the future. 4. Watch for red flags. Recognizing early signs of toxic behavior is crucial. Pay attention to red flags like manipulation, excessive jealousy, constant criticism, or emotional abuse, and don't ignore them. 5. Self-care and self-love. Valuing and taking good care of yourself is key to forming healthy relationships. Regularly set aside time for yourself, engage in hobbies, and do activities that make you happy. As your self-respect and self-love grow, so will the quality of your relationships. 6. Seek support. Professional support can be very helpful in managing this process. A therapist or life coach can guide you in understanding your past experiences and emotional wounds and in developing new strategies. 7. Build positive relationships. Try to surround yourself with positive, supportive, and healthy people. Positive and mutually respectful relationships will help break toxic patterns. 8. Embrace the journey. Forming healthy relationships is a journey that takes time and patience. Be patient with yourself and recognize that growth is a continuous process. These steps can help you build healthy and fulfilling relationships. Take your time and progress step by step. Remember, forming healthy relationships is a journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself along the way. I'm looking forward to your new questions. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, by the way.